Hi, I'm Martha Cirulnick. I'm a senior Salesforce Consultant at Slow Motion based out of Birmingham, Alabama. As a senior consultant at Slow Motion, we implement Salesforce for small businesses that really make an impact for their everyday life. One thing that I love is that I get to work across multiple industries. We work with companies such as law firms to medical device equipment companies to manufacturing organizations. And so we get to work with a lot of different organizations, which makes each day really fun. Our purpose is to be a blessing to business owners as they grow their business. I love being a part of being able to help others grow a business that they're really passionate about. And so that's something that's really important to me. I love the people I get to work with and get to work for at Slow Motion. That's definitely my favorite part of this role in this organization. We have an amazing group of team members who are incredibly smart, talented, really caring people that I get to work with. And then we have amazing clients as well that I get to serve and solve problems for and help them really make an impact for them in their organization. I would absolutely recommend, if you're willing to work hard, you want to be around fantastic people who are going to be motivating you, I would 100% recommend working at Slow Motion. It's a fantastic place to work.